What's up everybody, it's again Ashish from ashvircreations and welcome back guys. So today I'm gonna give you Moody jungle preset in the form of mobile Lightroom DNG, camera preset XMP and .lrtemplate Lightroom preset. Now all you're gonna do is just copy that DNG preset to your smartphone or your SD card. Just unselect the JPG, only select the raw files. Raw files are the preset file which are present in your SD card or your mobile Lightroom. Now just add the preset to your Lightroom application in your mobile. Just wait for the preset to be added to your photos. So here is the preset. Now all you're gonna do is just click on three dot on the top right corner, just select the copy settings and just hit OK. Now go back and we're gonna apply it to some photo and see the difference, how this actually looking. Let me try it on this photo. Just click on three dots and select the paste settings and you'll see the magic guys. You can see the difference. Your photo is totally looking a very jungle kind of forest kind of vibe it is giving to the photo, which is pretty perfect and very amazing. If you want to create an amazing portrait just like very kind of moody forest type, then they can definitely use this photo or kind of preset in your photo. You can see the difference guys. This is literally giving a kind of Hollywood kind of very horror type of vibe to the photo, which is pretty perfect. You can see the difference guys. Here's the before and here's the after. A matte kind of look it is giving to the photo, which is pretty very creative and kind of unique tone. Then you can just use them in your Instagram feed and just make it an amazing color effect. So I hope you all have enjoyed this preset. If you enjoyed, then just smash the like button so that it will motivate me to make more presets and photography stuff just like this for you guys for free. And if you still not subscribed yet, then kindly do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets. Also visit our website www.ashvircreations.com and filterpreset.com to download all the premium collection of presets just for free. Also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. So guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.